Alright, I don't know how well this is recording, and this is going to be a really stupid video, so you should probably not watch. If you notice, here on the top, right, this is the weather stripping from the door panel. This pin, if you try and push this down, oftentimes this pin will bend. So take off the weather strip from the door panel, and when you put the door panel on now with this strip here, you can just push it straight on, and you don't have to do any weird movements with it in order to get it to line up correctly. This whole video is about turn signals in the mirrors. I have a 2016 Toyota 4Runner SR5, and one of the things, I know it's dumb, but one of the things I would really like is the turn signal mirrors. So I bought them from Toyota. So one of the other things I wanted to show you is, because the wiring harness is different, you see, sorry, I'm gonna be shaky here. Right here, there is a yellow wire. That is one of the turn signals. And this very pale blue here, this pale blue right there, that is the other turn signal wire. So I've tapped into the two turn signal wires because this is your flasher right there. This is the lower dash. So there's your flasher, and that's where to get your turn signal. Maybe I'll record more in a little while. Thank you. Bye-bye. Alright, I don't know if you can see it here, but see this? I don't know, can you see that? There's a guide up there. There's a plastic hole that guides the wires, so that's where it goes to the door. Here's the door flex. Darn it. So the door flex, this first part, right, that part there, gosh darn it, actually just pulls out of the body, and then this lower part here, this part just unbolts. So I just used this mechanical fingers, tied the wire to the mechanical fingers and pulled it through the door flex right there. I thought that was going to be really difficult, but it wasn't too bad. Alright, so I have the pink wire to the signal wire, and the white wire here is ground. I tried to unpin this plug, but I was not very successful, so I just cut it off and I soldered it into the new mirror. This is the new mirror. Looks like the old mirror. Anyway, so here's proof of concept. So turn on the turn signal. And there you go. I don't have the painted portion stuck on yet because I wasn't sure it was gonna work. But there we go. Alright, one more time for old time's sake. I have the wires from the turn signal coming from here. Yellow and very, very light blue. If I remember correctly, I think the yellow is left and the light blue is right. So then I have this blue wire going down here. I haven't tacked that up yet. I hope you can see that. There it is. And then it goes through the this plastic pocket there. Then through the door flex. Then I put that back together again, this piece here. Then run just the signal wire up here, and then over here into the mirror. And then I have the white wire, if I remember right, is goes back here, down through here, down to there, and then I have a ground here. That should be fine. I don't think it'll be in the way, but if it is, I'll just solder it into the ground wire there. So anyway, I just have to put the door panel back in, make sure that the power mirror is actually wired correctly into this plug so that the thing works. Anyway, that's it for now. I'll have to finish the other door some other day. Alright, so I ran the right side wire up on top of the airbag module down here. Was it the knee module or something like that? And then where I see the silver tape here, I ran the right side wire here through the bottom of the console and then out to the other side. So I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna get it underneath the glove compartment there. There's not much room, and the glove compartment doesn't come out like a regular car. Anyway, that's where I am.